Hi, I'm Ava, a junior at Penn State studying chemical engineering, and today I'm going to show you how you can use eggshells to grow your own crystals. To start the experiment, you're going to want to bring 1 cup of water to a boil, and then you're going to want to add at least half a cup of a solute of some sort of solid. It could be baking soda, which is what we use in this case, or you could also use salt, rock salt, or sugar. You're going to want to add enough solid for the solution to be super saturated, which means that all of the solid has dissolved into the water and that you still have a little bit of solid left in solution, and there's no more that can go into the solution. And then after adding the solid to get the solution super saturated, you want to add some food dye to give it color. Once you have your solution ready, you can add it to the eggshells. You want to make sure to fill the eggshells all the way up to the top. To do this experiment, you're going to need to use at least 1 egg. You're going to want to crack the egg near an end so that you are able to leave a lot of space so that you can add the crystal solution into it. You're also going to want to make sure that you take the membrane out of the egg so that your crystals don't grow mold. After adding the supersaturated solution to the eggshell, allow the water to evaporate. For me, doing this experiment, that part of the process took about 3 days. After all of the water evaporates from the system, you will be left with crystals in the eggshells. I did this experiment twice using baking soda as my first solid in the solution, which is what is dyed blue, and it gave me smaller, more sparkly crystals. When I used salt, which is the red solution, I got larger, more obvious crystals, but in both situations, either solid works. The reason that we were able to grow crystals in these eggshells is because we created a super saturated solution. We created this solution by heating the water, which then gave the water more energy so that more solid could dissolve in the water. When we added it to the eggshells and then allowed it to evaporate, the water over time cooled and no longer had the energy to store the solid, so it instead ended up crystallizing on the eggshell. Since we waited for the water to naturally evaporate, we were able to form larger crystals since this is a slower process. Thanks for watching.
Like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you.